this thing is going on this thing. Because I really don't like my neighbours. The welds themselves look alright, but the thing I have noticed is the actual internals, where it matters. It's probably not the smoothest. I'm not sure what that's going to do as far as airflow goes. But we are removing the pre-turbo cat anyway. Reading some forums, apparently they've been feeling the turbo spool up another 500 or so RPM earlier as well. So the other thing is pre-2003, so up to the bug eyes, you can replace things like the headers and the outpipe without needing a tune. Although a tune will give you the most benefit out of it, it's not necessarily needed. Those forums are also about 5 or 6 years old, so I'm not sure how accurate they were. It's quite an unfortunate and sad story, but someone from the Subaru community has recently passed away, and he was meant to be getting married and have a parade of blue WRXs going to the wedding, but since he's passed away, they want a parade of blue Rexys going with the hearse to the and when the casket gets carried from the hearse to the thing, they have asked for those who wish to give it a little bit, so perfect excuse to put this on now. If I can avoid pulling that intercooler off, I'd rather have that. Come on. Oh, there we go. Thank you. You're junk. You're not. Going back on. Okay, get some of this on the bolts. Make life easier, hopefully. Guarantee I got no room to actually fit my sockets. Oh, this is gonna be a great day. Hold up, I gotta go see if I got some little shorties. Alright, going a bit old school with the spanners. Well, that works. To get that second one out, to get that front one out, we just gotta take this off. Makes it easy to get to here, and hopefully unplug it. Hoping that wasn't important. I am literally being stopped by 2 bolts right now. Come on! Please don't strip on me. Ugh. Okay, so by right, this should start dropping down, but we appear to not have that at the moment. That scared the Jesus out of me. Come on. Oh. I feel like I'm gonna need to jack the engine up a little bit, because that is not gonna fit. So just to give you an idea on where I'm trying to get to, this little sensor here is what's making my life a pain in the ass right now. That is the only thing that's stopping me from dropping this thing out. So I can't get it over that way enough to get that side out. Oh, well, we've just bent it. My bad. So with the brilliance of technology, my GoPro didn't record any audio for these next few bits. So pretty much the kind of problem that I had with my up pipe was the threads for the bung. They were too big for my sensor, so I had to pretty much go and get a little, the actual name of it is called a reducer, I think. So I pretty much had to screw that in first and then put my sensor in. Sensors are all connected, all the bolts are done up, except for the back of the downpipe, because I just for scientific purposes. Holy shit! It's actually still pretty quiet on idle. Not bad. Notice too much of a noise difference. Like, it's a little bit raspier, but I think just the sound deadening is just, I don't really notice it too much. But one thing I have noticed that's very true to the forums is the spool up time. The boost pretty much comes on the moment you hit the throttle. There's no like that split second lag or anything for it to help spool it up. It's just like you put your foot down and then it hits. It just like climbs so quickly now, which is nice. Yeah, still no snap, crackles or pops, and we're essentially almost straight piped. So we got catless headers, catless downpipe. We have a 12-inch hot dog thing in the middle, and then X-Force muffler. I think that muffler is doing one hell of a job to keep everything quiet. But I do have a Varex that's coming in very soon to get welded onto there, and that's just straight through when it's open, so we should get a little bit louder with that one. But yeah, no, idle sounds relatively the same. I don't really notice too much unless you like actually listen side by side. Cold starts are quite noticeable. Yeah, honestly the biggest difference is just removing that cat from that up pipe. That spool up time is much faster? Yeah, much shorter. Hold on. 3,000 RPM. Just hit straight away. But yeah, for those of you who have stuck around for the whole video, after this I'm going to insert some little clips from funeral, just a little cruise there. God, this road fucking sucks. Yeah, just some of the cruise clips, and then maybe when we're all sitting there revving our engines. Why do I get stuck behind the supercharged V8? My ears are gonna die.